Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the Gridbox font library and learn how to manage fonts on your website. The Gridbox font library can be accessed from the Gridbox editor. To open the icon library, click Tools in the toolbar and choose Font Library from the drop-down menu. The Gridbox font library allows you to manage and use a wide range of fonts on your website. You can add Google fonts, use standard web-safe fonts, and upload custom fonts to create a consistent typography system across your website. To add a Google font, click the Add Google Font icon in the toolbar. In the pop-up window, select the font family. Select the desired font from the list. For convenience, you can use the search field to quickly find the required font. Next, choose the font weight and click Save to add the font to the library. To add a web-safe font, click the Add Web-Safe Fonts icon in the toolbar. In the pop-up window, select a font family from the drop-down list. Next, choose the font weight and click Save to add the font to the library. To add a custom font, click the Upload Custom Font icon in the toolbar. In the pop-up window, enter a font title and select the font file. Then choose the font weight and click Save to add the font to the library. To remove one or more fonts, select Fonts from the list and use the Delete button in the toolbar. That's how you can manage fonts in the Gridbox font library. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.